Hey everybody, it's Robin. Long time no see. So today I thought that I would do a little series because I'm not sure how to get all this in one video. It seems like everyone's having babies here recently, so I thought what I would do, I'm going to make or attempt to make a diaper Jeep for a baby shower that I have to go to Saturday, and thought that I would bring you all along, and if you were interested in making one with me. So for this first video, I'm just going to tell you everything that I bought. I'm not sure that I'm going to use it all. I think I will, but I'm not sure. Just to where you could have your supplies ready. So I bought a 6-pack of washcloths. All of this came from Target, but no, I'm not sponsored by Target. And then this is the little hooded towel. And then here are 3 more hooded towels. Of course, diapers. Hopefully that's in shot or in the view. I got the Huggies, and I'm using the number 1s. There was 100 in this box. I'm also going to use this box, so it's important to make one of these that you get the diapers that are in the box or have a box, whichever one. So some receiving blankets. There's 3 here. A couple of little rattles that I thought that I would hang from the racks on the Jeep. Then a couple of pretty baby bibs with teething rings that dangle down in front. And then just another pack of, and I know that I won't use all of these, but another pack of baby bibs. This is 10, but I know that I won't use all of them. I will send them on to my nephew, because I'm going to be a great aunt this year too. Yay! And then I bought these little mittens here, and I'll tell you what my idea with these in just a few minutes. I'll only be using 1 set of them. A couple of pacifiers, a pack of Huggies, and a couple of little animals to go inside the Jeep. I thought maybe he could be the passenger in the back riding, and he could drive it. And then as far as other materials besides the stuff to decorate it with, I'm using this poster board that I found at the Dollar General, but you can use a paper towel roll. You need 2 of them. Those will be your axles for your wheels. Then I bought, these are just some other things that I thought I may need. I bought some really long pipe cleaners. They call them fuzzy sticks. But they're really long, so I bought some of those, and then I found some short ones that were on clearance as well. And then just rubber bands, for sure, you have to have that. And those came in this container like that, the little plastic thing. I'm going to see if I can use these as headlight covers, the packaging. Don't know if that'll work or not, but I'm going to try it. Some double-sided tape, ribbon, and these are just, I bought these ribbons specifically, but then I pulled out some of my ribbons that I had. Don't know which ones I'll use, but I thought a couple of different colors. And then I have this, I forget what they call this kind of ribbon, but anyway, I grabbed that. I had just a little bit of this left over from all of the motorcycle, the diaper motorcycle and things that I did several years ago. I don't think I have a video on that, but anyway. And then I found these. They were $1.48, and they're candles, and I have an idea for them. They're not going to be used as candles, but I have an idea for these. And of course, scissors. So that is your supply list, and I'm going to go ahead and clean off the kitchen table, the kitchen table here, and then we'll get started in the next video. So See you all in a little bit. Gather your supplies. Bye.